Hey Parker, what is that thing? Well, whose castle?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse's castle? I understand. Carly Bug. Whose castle is that? Hooked on Phonics. Whose castle is that?
Cinderella's castle.
Oh, very good.
And Alvin and the Chipmunks.
Mara, what's up? You eating that popcorn?
I got Mickey Mouse castle.
Mommy, whose castle is that?
Mickey Mouse castle.
Who?
Mickey Mouse Disney.
Good. Very good. Okay, right now you're on video. You're smiling. You're digging it. Okay. Here, we hold that on them. It's recording.
What y'all doing? Hello?
Alright, you guys ready?
Beardo, try to control your enthusiasm.
I'm just kidding.
Hello?
Birdman.
Mara!
Okay, one more time. Say cheese. Okay, hold on 1 second. Okay, ready? Say cheese. Very good. Okay. Hey, Parky. Parky. Park, leave the bird alone. One more time. Sissy, what's today? What is today? Park, you gotta get in the picture, man.
Saturday.
Saturday? Go ahead. You go ahead.
May 23rd.
You go ahead.
You go ahead.
You go ahead. Where's the picture? Oh, excuse me. All right, one more. Okay, one more. Cheese. Hey, Parky, get next to Mara. Hold her hand. Hurry up, quick. All right, cheese. Mara. Mara.
She said back off, buddy.
Sissy, what is that? Is that your boyfriend you're about to ride? The gray elephant?
That's Dumbo.
Mara, what do you think?
Hey.
Mara, what do you think about that bird?
I think you would definitely not want him to come near.
What do you think about that bird?
What do you care if I feed you too?
What do you think?
I love this.
Yeah, just set it right there since you found it there, okay? There you go, buddy. Yeah, I think you gotta put a battery in there. It's like a little fan. Alright, come on, buddy. Nope, that's just a piece of it. Hey, Parky, let's go. Alright, don't run though, okay?
I know.
You're the man.
This.
Hey, Mom, what are you doing, baby? What are you doing? What's up? Oh, be careful. All right, you want to take a picture with her? Okay, go next to her. All right, here we go. Okay, say, Mama, look at you. Very good. Okay. All right. Mara, what do you think about all this stuff? What do you think? Yeah.
I think I like the popcorn.
Okay.
Who is that?
That's Mickey Mouse's fish. Do you see him? Oh, he just swam away, man. Sorry about that. We'll get him the next time. That's silly, man. I'll get you guys walking in, so. Okay, mommy, back up just a little bit, mom. There we go.
You want me out?
Oh no, I wanted to get all three of them, that's all. Woo! Hurry up, get in before they close it. Oh! It's not gonna blow away. See, let it go, watch. Watch this, watch. See? See? See, look, watch. Ready? Watch. Look. Oh, be careful, be careful. See? See, show mommy. Maybe mommy wasn't, yeah, go show mommy. There you go. I don't think he understood what we were trying to tell him. What do you think, man? See, it won't fly away. Throw it up! He's shaking. All right, let's go. All right, man, we gotta take a picture. Hurry up.
Awesome. Okay.
All right, sis, come here.
Oh,
Hey, Parker. Parker, come here. Did you like it? Yeah? Mommy. Did you like it or did you give us?
Neither. Or both. We gotta get the stroller.
Let me see them. Let me see. Oh, what are they?
Mickey Mouse shoes.
The Mickey Mouse shoes?
Yeah.
Way to go, buddy.
Is that Mickey Mouse pictures?
Yeah. Okay. That's what I said. Parky, you go, man. You go, buddy. Good job, man. Think about that thing.
That's it.
Ooh.
It's really big. Can't eat this stuff. It's really big.
Mara, what did you think about that thing? What did you think about that? Ooh. Hey, Mara. Mara. Ooh. Let him see it. Let me see it. No, no, no. That brother playing funny. Are you having Mickey and Minnie kissy kiss?
I'll get it.
What do you think?
I want one for you.
Which one? Ah, you like that Mickey? You like that Mickey?
These are yours.
Huh?
Mama, here's yours. Sophia. Mom, I have this.
That's a very pretty dress.
Not both of them. I want to try this. Pick which one you like better. I want Goofy or Mickey. You got Pluto or Mickey. And Mara's looking at that one. You can't have both.
Hey, Mara.
Put those. Mama,
Well, here, let her see that. Let her see that. Look at her. Ooh. Okay. Do you like that? Huh? What do you think about that?
Sophia, come here for a second. I want you to try the size on. Just try the size on.
Aaron, what's that?
I have to, we bought this, you're not going to wear it. You can't really fit into it like a week from now. I know.
Mara, what about this one? What about this one?
Those are too big too, right? Yeah, okay, get your feet out.
Oh, they like it.
Those are perfect.
Hello, I'm stupid. A puppet.
Mara, you just tell us what you think.
I'm a puppet.
You just tell us. Mara. Hey, Parky, watch out. You all right? Yeah, you got big shoes, don't you?
Hey, the puppy just walking.
Are you going to peek it out?
Where's Joe?
Look.
Hey, Sissy, take out my big shoes.
Jump. Look at that big jump. Did y'all see that?
Yep.
Wait.
Yep, you're going to be our fashion queen, and he's going to be our little... What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Mara, Mara, what are you talking about?
Hey, Mama, that's my big shoes.
Look at those things. What do you think, baby? What do you think? Oh, be careful. I was just pulling up from my bag. Here, look here. Look here. Look here. Look at that thing. Ooh, what is that thing doing? No, 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 no. What is that thing doing? Ow! Ooh. What's that thing doing? Oh! Ooh! She was making for it. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get a couple pictures. Hey, Carly Black, we got you. Go ahead. What is that? What is that? Oh! Oh! Did you like that one? You going to bite on it? What about this? What's he got? Oh! She's like, what is that thing? Look at her. She's totally just gave that one the bad look.
There's a Minnie Mouse over there.
There's a baby.
There's a bear.
There's a baby. Look, she's sad. You want the baby?
That's why when you force it in her mouth, we really have no clue whether or not.
I'll sit on it. Just for fun.
Marky, what is that? It's the party bus? It's called the monorail. Hey, Forrest, what do you think?
I don't like you. That's what I think.
Hey. Marky, hold on a second. Park man. Hey, Park, relax. Watch your fingers. They're going to automatically open. Be careful.
Parker, move quick.
Okay, don't. Okay.
Yeah.
Go, Park. Go, man. Go. Hey, Carla Bug. Carla Bug. Buggy Patrol. Parky, will you tell us what you think about that sissy? What? Strike 3? Do you love that sissy? Look, it's our right here.
We're now entering Disney Contemporary Resort.
Or is this thing? Hey, stop it!
Stop. Okay, kisses.
This is Disney's Contemporary Resort. If you're exiting,
Hey Carly, speak English.
if you've just joined us, welcome aboard. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay
So what do you think?
with a couple of others. No smoking, please. Thank you.
There we go. Let's watch. Look, there it is. Want to look out this way?
Magic Kingdom Orange Bus Park.
Look, there's the castle way over there. You see?
To the left is
Yeah,
Red
you
Lake.
see it way over there?
Yours is Red Lake.
Yeah.
Wilderness Lodge.
No, small. Sparky, you want chocolate chips on it?
No.
Okay. You want more sprinkles?
Yeah.
You want all of them?
Yeah.
What's that baby doing? Let's get on over. Oh, what are you doing, Marla?
I want to say mother whale.
Oh, yeah?
That's the same.
It is. It's his buddy.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, Mickey. But we're still going to go try to see him.
Stand clear of the door.
Oh.
A bordo manténganse alejados de las puertas.